Alright, so we just finished filming our shoots. So all of us are gonna go get lunch right now. We're gonna ride the Skytrain. So we're gonna ride the Mark 1.
Speaking of Marks, should we take that Mark 2 over there?
Or do you wanna wait for the Mark 1?
How long do you want to wait for the Mark 1 until it comes?
Well, if this train's departing right now, we can actually take it.
Well, it's departing soon.
So let's take it.
I guess so, yeah.
Let's just take the Mark 2.
Yeah.
We'll film Mark 1s later.
Yeah. Mark 3.
Mark 2.
Alright, get on it.
Let's go to the front of the train.
Now, there's something I want to show you. Sit here.
Alright.
So right now, we're going to go through the Dunsmuir Tunnel.
Alright.
And as we're entering, you're going to see something magical on through those windows there.
Oh, are we?
Yes.
Let's take a look, shall we?
Yes, we shall. And the magic's starting soon. Take a look.
Oh, it's an ad! I don't think we can see that on camera clearly, but that blew my mind. Alright boys,
Yeah,
we're
boys.
almost here.
Yeah.
Where are we going?
So,
We will find out soon.
well,
Actually, we're walking towards it right now.
oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. So we're here, Western Lake, Chinese seafood restaurant. So this is supposed to be one of the best dim sum places in Vancouver. Now we just gotta line up though. Alright guys, so we got in, so we're just gonna be eating right now. If you want to see the full review video, then check out my T2P Films channel where we show this video in full in depth. So I'll see y'all later. Make sure you check out that channel.
Okay, click the right side.
Alright, so today we're actually gonna go somewhere else, not Vancouver. We're boarding a ferry right now. So we're going to Victoria today, and we're gonna show you on a beautiful day today what Victoria looks like. So let's go.
Go. Woo! Morning.
They have arcades in here.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that Guitar Hero arcade.
Wow, we actually
Donkey
have
Kong
this?
Jr.
Wow.
You can play games in here.
Yeah.
This is what? This is like if you're in the 80s, this would be.
Right?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm surprised it still keeps this. Yeah. But now we're inside. Now that we're inside the Queen of New Westminster, we're gonna be riding this ferry all across the Pacific to Victoria. Gonna get off at Shorts Bay and take another bus. So how many times have you been to Victoria?
Numerous times I lost count.
It must be a really good place to visit all the time.
Of course, of course.
And what are we gonna do when we get there?
Well, we're gonna go around Victoria, see what it's got. Actually, there's a place I want to show you guys. So,
Alright. So this is probably like what, your 1 millionth time?
yes, you can say that.
Alright. Show me what you've got.
Yeah. Here we go.
Here we go. Hey, you got someone wave back to you.
Yeah, and we're back to them.
Alright, now that we're out, point the way, Elfren.
To the double decker.
Yes.
Oh yeah, that's on it.
Alright, we just got to Victoria. It was a 40-minute bus ride, but we're finally here. We reached the heart of Victoria, and hold on. There's a rally going on over there. I don't know, something about doctors. But I'm here to explore, so I'll be doing some exploration. Alright, now that we're on the 3rd floor, Elfren, we're about to visit the public gallery. Yeah, so we're done our guided tour, and you get to learn a lot from it in BC. Before I head into the public gallery, anything else you want to check out before I head inside?
No, that's pretty much it.
Let's head inside the public gallery. Alright, we're heading back to Vancouver. We're taking this bus back to Swartz Bay. So we can head back on the ferry.
Please stay behind the red line.
Meanwhile, this guy
Yes,
is
Zara.
filming his time lapse over here.
Yes, Zara, we know. Look at this! Look at this! Former Go Transit.
I'm sitting inside the Swartz Bay terminal now, and before I head on the ferry, I actually got something I want to show you guys. What I got? The BC Ferries experience card. Got this so as a souvenir here. So when I leave Vancouver, I have this to remember it. I'm waiting for my ferry now, so I'm just chilling here with Elfren. What are you doing here?
Hey guys.
So right now we're just waiting for a ferry to get back to Vancouver mainland. So I'll see you when we get on board. Alright, we're on board the Coastal Celebration. Now this one's different from the Queen of New Westminster. Let's just go straight.
Straight in.
Yeah, let's go straight in. Alright. Oh, this ferry looks nice. Bigger windows, right? Alright, let's go to the cafe. We're gonna be heading upstairs to deck 6 right now. A lot more decks than the Queen of New Westminster, that's for sure. Alright. Hi, Elfren.
Where are the boys?
Yeah, where are the boys? Alright, Elfren and I are gonna go get food. We're gonna be sitting down and hopefully get some ice cream too. Yep, go ahead. Alright, I got the chicken strips and fries with the sauce and everything.
Yeah, that's fine.
And this guy got a hefty meal.
Yes.
You got what? What you got there?
I got chicken strips, I got a bacon cheddar combo,
Oh, there's a burger and the poutine.
burger, poutine.
That's a lot.
This boy is hungry.
Hungry boy.
Exactly.
Can't forget my ice cream. Alright, now that's dinner.
Dinner, boys.
Alright, everyone. And I am heading back to Vancouver now. We're on the coastal celebration.
Yes, we are.
And I'd like to say that thank you for coming over to Victoria.
Of course. Happy to take you guys out, and next time again.
Yeah, next time we'll keep scoring again.
Exactly.
Yes.
Exactly. It's been a tradition here.
Yes. I'd love for you to take me more places
Yeah.
rather than just Victoria. We have to go
course.
to other to other islands, you know?
Yeah. I guess for us, it's been a tradition of scoring whenever the boys blow.
Yes, we'll return back to the North score.
Yes.
It's a little windy.